MLA ka VPP na Mawryngkneng ba HS Kharpran ulawan ra hayeng dorbar thawaan ka jilla menta kasngi ya ka jingkeli ka bayadai ber ka Surok bahnrius pa Mitar na Mawshbuit sa Happy Valley. Habaju ba bhalor kani usumbut menteri rangba ka jilla ba preston tensong ulaya tho ba ka sarkar menta kalawat lat ban snano da kawei kalenti ka ban yad lat na ka kerdop sipai. Ulaong ru bakani ka Surok bakitmu kandon kumbasau kilometer AA batkan yad na Mawshbuit lengba ka Mawlyngkneng.
Speaker sir, reply to sir question number 1. Sir, the government is actively exploring all avenues for a permanent solution.
Khubor, please. Yes.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker, sir. I also thank the Deputy Chief Minister in charge of roads for the reply. So I have some supplementary questions. May I know from the Honorable Deputy Chief Minister who were maintaining the road in the past?
Sir, I need clarity on this question. I would request the Honorable Member from Mawryngkneng. Is he trying to ask the question of that portion of 600 meters or the entire stretch?
Yeah, this particular 600 meter stretch, sir.
This is done by the defense themselves.
So they record, sir, that defense maintaining that road, sir. Is there any record?
Yes, sir. The record is very much there as per the land document. And of course, from time to time, in case if the defense cannot take up the repairing works, we used to also discuss with them. The same case happened with this clay yodo, we call it. It happens even with MES, where sometimes the government, the state government, take it up with the defense authority, and ultimately they consider for taking up the repairing work.
So do these army people have the legal documents to stick the clip, sir?
Sir, as I have said, yes, they do have the proper land documents.
Will you please, sir, to lay in the floor table of the house, sir?
Sir, I think I've already replied. The documents is available, and the land document happens way back in 1937. And I think laying of the document is not that necessary, because why I'm saying that, sir, even from the government side, we had these challenges long time back, and we would like to resolve these issues. And my reply is very, very clear. Right now, sir, we already had a discussion even with the local authority, with the village Dorbar, where we discussed with them if we have any alternative. And recently, I'm happy to inform the Honourable Member and this August House, sir, recently even the village authority, jointly with our officers from the department, we already identified the stretch of alternative route which links to Mawlyngkneng, from Mawshbuit to Mawlyngkneng, which is more or less, their length is within 4 kilometers. The entire stretch of that length minus 300 meters again, which touches the defense land. Right now, sir, we are taking up this with the defense authority. I am sure we will be able to come out to a permanent solution on this particular issue.
No, sir. No, the people of the village want to see the legal documents, sir. That 600 meters stretch.
Sir, I've already said, the documents, the legal documents, it is available. Even the copy is there with the Deputy District Collector, Shillong. And in fact, when they had a series of meetings from time to time, even from the district administration, from DC Revenue, they requested if the village authority is having some kind of land document to produce it. But from the defense side, from the authority concerned, they produce the land document, as I've said. But however, sir, I think this is not the time to discuss about the land or about the issue of whether this road, which is being used till today, approach to Mawshbuit, whether it belongs to us or does not belong to us. But as I said to you, alternative is being worked out, and I'm very sure very soon we'll be able to come out to a permanent solution on that, sir.
Sir, you mentioned that to explore all avenues for permanent solution. So, the stakeholders, like the Shillong, the army people, the revenue department and the district commission, whether they have conducted a joint survey or not, sir?
Sir, I think the joint meeting was held. As I said to you, because this issue is not at all new. Joint meeting was held in the level of the deputy commissioner from time to time. And right now, as I said to you, the government is working out ways and means how to come out with a permanent solution to this approach road which goes to Mawshbuit. And in fact, recently we have officially written a letter to GOC 101 for detailed discussion of that 300 meters stretch which touches to the defense land. And I'm sure, sir, if we get this portion, if the defense authority allow us to touch these 300 meters, I'm very sure the solution will be resolved, and I'm very sure the village authority along with the villagers will also be happy, because ultimately we will not have any kind of lingering or any issues while traveling, bypassing or passing through that portion of 600 meters, because the army, they set up a gate which is manned 24/7. So, sir, as I already said, I would request the honourable member to also understand one thing, that we are sincere and we are here to come out with a permanent solution, and I'm very sure with the days to come we will be able to resolve these issues. Point number two, sir, in fact we would like to create also eastern bypass, not only from Mawshbuit to Mawryngkneng. We would also like to create as eastern bypass, so-called eastern bypass, from Surok up to Mawshbuit, and then Mawshbuit up to Mawryngkneng, which the distance is more or less to 9.5 kilometers. If we can do that, then again the entire region will not have to come to Shillong city. From Surok we can go via Mawshbuit. From Mawshbuit we will reach Mawryngkneng, and from Mawryngkneng we will reach to Mawkasiang and the New Shillong township.